So now we're going to be doing the behind back curl for the bicep. You want the door anchored to the bottom of the door or the floor. You want to always, whenever you're touching the bands directly, you want to always be wearing gloves because you don't want any band burn on your hands, which you can easily get. The gloves on and your hands hooked inside the band. So you've got two bands. And where do you start the motion? You want your arms fully extended backwards, chest pumped out. And when you feel the tension in the bands, as soon as you feel the tension in the bands, that's where you start. So for me, that's at the top of 7. So my front foot, which is my leading foot, is my left foot, is pointing directly forwards. You've got your back foot with a good strong stance, with about a 30 degree angle pointing outwards. Chest pointed forwards, you're looking forward. And then from here, you want to make sure everything is locked down. The anchor point is your elbow. Nothing else should be moving. So in that motion, nothing else should be moving, okay? So you don't want to get your elbows coming forward like that. Your elbows stay pinned backwards. So from here, the start of the movement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's just above now, 90 degrees. You see that there? But my elbows are still pinned backwards. And then from here, you want to go to phase 2. You want to, again, lead forward with your torso. Okay? So I'm going to lead forward and go to the next step, which here I'm going to go from 7 to 8. So here, leading with the back foot, front foot takes forward, and then you pin, because your elbows would have moved forward a bit, you pin them back again. And then from here, it's as if your hands are going not backwards, but down. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Until you get them. So in this exercise, you want your arms to actually be locked out until they're locked back out again. And then from here, you're leading back with your front foot. So I'm going back to the top of 7. Put the back foot back. Strong stance always. Okay? Core engaged. And then your arms and elbows pin backwards and the pivot at the elbow point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move forward, lead with the back foot, front foot goes on to the next line. Pin the elbows back again and move your arms downwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Locked back, lead back with the front foot. No talking now, watch my breathing. Always slower when you're going back in the eccentric. So when you're pushing back, always slower at the beginning. And that's the behind back bicep curl.